So we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Short Monsoon Diary. After discussing these question answers, you have to write the answers in your notebook in your own words, right? So let us start. So for the first question is, why is the author not able to see Biju? Yes, who will give the answer?
Can I tell?
Can I give?
Okay, Pragati. First of all, let me ask Pragati. Next, your turn. Yes, Pragati.
The author is not able to see Biju because the monsoon engulfs the hills of the Missouri with a mist like a blanket, and there is silence also.
Very good, very good. The author not the author is not able to see Biju because of the mist that engulfed the entire area, or the mist that covered entire Missouri with the blanket of darkness. You can write down anything. Okay, so because of the mist that engulfed or that concealed the hills, you can write down in this manner: the author is not able to see Biju because of the mist that concealed the hills, or that engulfed the mountains, and he was able to hear only his voice but could not able to see Biju because of the obstruction. Obstruction means interruption, okay? Because of the obstruction. With how this obstruction is produced? Because of the obstruction that is produced due to mist. That is produced due to mist. Okay? So it is just because of the obstruction that is produced that he was not able to see Biju, right? So next is students. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now the next answer is, where is Kritika? Kritika, you are
Ma'am?
yes, fine.
Yes.
I was thinking that I'm not getting any answer from your side whether she has been unmuted or not. So next question is, what are the two ways in which the hills appear to change when the mist comes up? So what are the two ways?
Can I give answer?
Yes, please.
When the mist comes up, the birds fall silent. The trees don't ring with the bird song. The forest appears deathly, as though it were midnight. The mist conceals the hills and blankets them in the silence.
Very good. Speak again. Speak point by point. First point, what you have spoken.
When the mist comes up, the birds fall silent.
Birds. First point is that the birds or the bird songs become silent. Next.
As the
The
mist
tree,
comes.
Yes, birds become
the
silent.
trees, the trees don't ring with bird song, and the forest appear
Yes,
deathly,
yes.
as though
Birds don't hum upon the trees.
the forest appear deathly,
Yes,
as
yes. The
though it were
forest
midnight.
appears deathly, right? The forest appears deathly, and
The mist conceals the hills and
mist
blankets them in
conceals the
silence.
hills, and complete silence. Okay, and complete silence prevailed all around the atmosphere, spreading a special type of sadness. It means that when there is, you can say, when you can say, when mist comes up, there is a different type of silence that prevails. Okay, there is no activity of the birds also. The birds become silent. Okay, the trees don't you can say, the trees become lifeless without birds. You can also write down in this manner: birds don't hum upon the trees. You can write down in any way: birds don't hum up, trees become silent. Okay, without the activity of the birds, the entire forest, when it is covered with mist, a special type of, or a particular type of silence prevails the entire atmosphere. Clear this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
right, now coming up to the next part of the question answers. Yes. Next, yes, comprehension check. When does the monsoon begin and when does it end? And how do you prepare to face the monsoon? So when does the monsoon begin and when does it end? We are actually talking
The
about
monsoon,
Mussoorie. Huh?
the monsoon season in
The monsoon began.
Yes, Kritika, you can continue.
The monsoon season in Missouri begins from June 24 or 25
Very
by
good.
August 2.
Very good. The monsoon season in Mussoorie, it begins from June 24-25, and what happened by the end of August 2, the monsoon season is about to end, okay, as the people are fed up by rain. Okay, so it means that it ends by August 31. Okay, then after that winter rains also are there, na? Then by the end of late March, winter rains also end. Okay, by the end of late March, winter rains also end. And how do you prepare to face the mountains? In order to face rainy season, people make special arrangements in their homes. They take out
Raincoats.
umbrellas
Umbrellas.
to face the mountain or to face the monsoon season. To face the monsoon season, right? Clear this answer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next is, which hill station does the author describe in the diary entry?
Missouri.
Mussoorie. Okay, but don't write down one word answer, that is Mussoorie. Okay, you will write down in complete
The
line.
author had described Monsoori in
Beautiful.
diary
The author describes Mussoorie in his diary entry.
in his diary
And
entry.
you can add on 1 or 2 lines also about it. What are the other 2 lines about it? That the entire, during monsoon season, the entire mountainous region or the
are covered by
areas, they
snow
are
and
covered
there
by
is a
mist.
silence,
Full of
special
wildlife.
type of silence.
Nothing is visible. Birds even don't chirp on the trees. Trees also become lifeless and
Special type of silence and
special
sadness.
type of silence, it engulfs the entire valley. Special type of silence, it engulfs.
Mussoorie is a beautiful hill station.
Yes.
मैम मंसूरी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन. मैम ये लिख सकते हैं इसमें?
Speak again.
मंसूरी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन.
Mussoorie is beautiful.
Hill station.
Hill station, yes, you can write down. But during the rainy season, this happens, okay? You can write down. Next question is, for how many days does it rain without stopping, and what does the author do on these days?
It rains
It
non-stop.
It rained without stopping for 8 or 9
8
days.
to 9
If
days.
there was
The
Everything
author
is-
keeps pacing the room and looking out for the window.
Yes, you can write down. So it rains non-stop for 8 or 9 days. So what was the author doing? The author, being fed off this rain, he was pacing his room and looking out of the window
Roamed and
as
looked
he
out
was
of the
not
window.
A few
able to
bobbing
go out
umbrellas.
in the rainy season. Okay, as he was not able to go out in the rainy season.
Ma'am, he can also write as everything damp and foggy.
Everything.
Where to go?
Yes, you can write down.
And the author couldn't go outside.
Right. You can write down. Okay, so next question is, why, sorry, where do the snakes and rodents take shelter and why?
Snakes and
Snakes
rodents
and
flood out
rodents
of their
take
holes and
shelter
burrows and take
out
shelter
of
in
their
roofs,
holes
attics,
and
and
burrows.
godowns
Very
to
good.
save themselves from getting wet in rainwater.
And
Why did
their
they do
holes
so?
and burrows
Why?
are flooded out.
To save themselves from getting wet
To
in
save
rainwater.
themselves because
due to
their burrows
excessive
and
rain.
holes were full of water. Were flooded of water.
Okay, because their holes, they are flooded with water. Okay, so we can write down the rodents and snakes take shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns. Okay, and to save themselves from the rainy weather or the rainy season, they do so because their holes are flooded with rain water. Because their holes are flooded with rain water. Clear now? Because their holes they are flooded with rain water. So this is the reason why they do so. Okay? Clear now? Students, clear this answer? Okay.
Yes,
Next.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
What
ma'am.
did the author receive in the mail?
The author
check.
received a
The,
check
au-
in
the
the
author
mail.
received
It
the
is
check
not
due in the
large one,
mail.
but it
Small check.
welcome all the same.
Yes. What did the author receive? The author received
Small
a
check.
small check in his mail.
But
It was actually a
yes.
sign of goodness shown by a shrew seen by him. Okay, according to an old belief prevalent in Missouri. Okay, so what he received? He received a small check in his mail. Actually, what it was a sign of goodness shown by the presence of shrew. What is shrew? What is shrew?
and Chuchundar.
Yes, what
Chundar.
Yes.
it is chuchundar.
And
Okay, presence of
chuchundar.
shrew according to an old belief in Missouri. Okay, it is according to an old belief in Missouri. Okay, so next is working with the text.
Yes.
Person is looking carefully at the diary entries from June 24, 25, August 2 and March 23. Write down the changes that happens as the rain progressed from June to March.
June
Rain
24
from
was the
Missouri.
first day of monsoon mist. All the birds fell silent as the mist climbed up the hills. The author calls the mist because not only does it conceal is the hills.
Okay, let me show you the diary entries from June first of all so that you can have
Yes,
an
ma'am.
idea. Okay, so let us see from June. So first in June 24, what happened? Trees were ringing with bird songs. Okay, mist so melancholy, not only does it conceal the hills. So what you will write down that the rainy season begins in Missouri from June to March. Okay, so June 24, the writer or the narrator has mentioned that June 24 is the first day when the mist covered or mist concealed the hills, and there prevailed a special type of silence. Okay, he was not able to see anything. Okay, but during this monsoon rain, you can also mention during this monsoon rain, some plants, which plants? See here, the first cobra lily. Okay, some plants like cobra lily reared its head from the ferns. Okay, right?
And a tree
Yes, you can also write
were
down
moves rapidly
some other
along the trunk of the
like
oak tree.
Rhythm, please pay attention. So some other animals like here it is mentioned leopard and leeches. They also came into the scene. Okay, and some beautiful birds like which birds? Some beautiful birds like scarlet, minivet. Okay, right? They were chirping over the trees. Okay, and moreover the insects, they also enjoy their journey over the creepers. So we have read now here, tree creeper moves rapidly, so insects, they were also moving over the creepers. And in August, the writer has mentioned that the rain drummed on the corrugated tin roof throughout the night, and the author being the author being felt sleepy, he paced around the room, okay, as he was not able to go out. Okay, then again, what there was, the entire area, it was in August 3, the water dripped from leaking drain pipe, clean and pure, song of whistling thrush, It means that when the rain stops in August, people used to go out of their houses, but what is there? People used to go out of their houses, but there is again a special dark sweet secret that covers the entire valley. What is ravine? Ravine is valley. Special type of silence, it covers the entire valley. And endless rain, August 12, it is mentioned endless rain and a permanent mist, okay? But by the mid of August, 12 August means by the mid of August, the entire valley is completely drenched in rain. Drenched in rain means drenched,
Fully soaked.
yes, completely soaked. The entire valley is completely drenched in rain and is covered with permanent mist. There was not a place to go out. Okay, some flowers like balsam, dahlias, begonias, and ground orchids also came into being. Okay, and by the August of this rain, by the end of August, August 31 is mentioned, when rainy season is at its peak, then snakes, rodents, and many animals came out of their holes, as their holes are flooded with water. And what happened? And it is the end of what? It is the end of monsoon season. But thereafter begins Sina October 3, then indirectly into winter rain. But then afterwards, what happened? There is a time for winter rains in January. It is mentioned in January and March 23. Okay, and again in winter rain, there was water everywhere on lemons, on roof, and everything was covered with water. And there is sometimes hailstorm also to clear the sky, and on and off rainbow can also be seen. Right now, clear? So it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that very
Yes, ma'am,
cleverly,
yes.
very cleverly you have to pick up the facts, pick up the main points which the author has mentioned in his diary entries. Don't just read down the chunks. Okay, the important information what he has delivered. Right? Clear now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
मैम मैंने कहना था कि हमने जो फैक्ट्स लिखने हैं वो हर डेट पे लिखने हैं कि मैम जैसे क्वेश्चन में लिखा है जून 24, 25, अगस्त 2 एंड मार्च 23।
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग, हमने क्या लिखना है?
मैम हमने जो फैक्ट्स है वो हर डेट की डायरी एंट्री से लिखने हैं कि ओनली जो क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है 24, 25 जून, अगस्त 2 एंड मार्च 23।
Right for all, right for all. Okay, write down for all. Okay, August 24, 25, then August 2 and March. Right for all. Okay,
ओके मैम।
but you can make paragraphs. Okay, write for all and you can make paragraphs for it. Okay,
ओके मैम।
make paragraphs. Okay, but don't write too long that it can be a very long. Otherwise, this type of question, it is always expected in long answers, like you will get in 4 marks. Okay, fine. But it must not be long that it will go in 1 or 2 pages, right? You can write it down in, for example, half of the page, but very cleverly you have to manage the content. Very cleverly the content has to be managed, right? Now, next question
Yes,
is, okay, fine. Why, next question is, sorry, it is, let me see this. Yes, next question is, why did the grandmother ask the children not to kill the chichunda?
Ma'am,
The
can I
grandmother asked
Ma'am,
the
because it is
children not to
considered
kill
to
the
be
children
lucky
because
and bring
they
in money.
bring the money and they are the sign of goodness.
Because it is considered to be lucky, or it is a sign of good luck,
It
or
brought the money.
Goodness,
it is a
and
sign.
they also bring money.
Stop, please. Because it is a sign that brought good luck and money. Okay, because the coming
ये भी लिख सकते हैं
season, huh?
Ma'am, goodness and prosperity.
Goodness and prosperity. Yes, I know.
that
Krishna,
it
you
brought the
have,
money.
but you have you can say you have always an arrow where you hit the right mark. It brings prosperity and goodness. You can write down. Next, what signs do we find in nature which show that monsoons are about to end?
Can I tell?
Yes, please.
The seeds of the cobra lily turn red. The ferns start turning yellow.
At the
Ground
monsoon.
ground orchids, mauve lady slipper, and the white butterfly orchids put on a fashion display on the grassy slopes of
Yes,
Mandor.
you can write down in this manner. If you are not, suppose you are not remembering the names of the flowers, how you can write down, and by the end of the monsoon, greenery can be seen everywhere, or the greenery covered the entire landscape. Okay, greenery covers the entire landscape. The seeds of cobra lily turn red. This is mentioned in the chapter. Okay, the seeds of cobra lily turn red, and the orchids, they have come out in a beautiful display of colors. Okay, remember two main things. Seeds of cobra lily, it becomes red, and orchids have shown a beautiful display of colors. And sometimes rainbow is also formulated in the sky. Okay, sometimes what happens, rainbow is also formulated in the sky. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If it is clear, next afterwards. Yes. Next is complete the following sentences. Biju is not seen, but his voice is heard because. Why?
Of the mist.
Because of the
Of
mist.
the
Because
mist
the
that
mist,
was-
because the
that
mist covers the
covers
entire
blanket
valley.
of
Just simple short sentence you will write down, because the mist covers the entire valley. Okay, next. The winter describes the hill station and valley as. The winter.
A paradise that might have
A
seen.
paradise that might
a
have been.
paradise
Very good.
that
The paradise that might have been. Next, the leopard was successful in dash.
Killing a dog, but had to flee when Biju's mother arrived, crying curses.
Crying curses. What is the another word used for curse here? It was in the chapter.
Imprecations.
Very good. It was imprecations. Very good. So you are learning word meaning side by side. Keep it up. Okay, imprecations. So next one is the minivets are easily noticed because. Why? Because.
Of the bright colors.
Very good. Because of
Yes.
their bright colors. Next. It looks like a fashion display on the slopes when the valley is covered with variety of flowers. When the valley is covered with variety of flowers. Next. Next one is during the monsoon season, snakes and rodents are found in roofs and attics because
Their holes are flooded with water. and these
their
places
holes are
provide them
flooded with water.
हाँ
लिख लिख आंखें बंद because
मैम
their बेटा who is
डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है पीछे से.
तेरे को कम आलू डाल दूंगी ना,
प्रगति
थोड़ा टेस्ट चेंज.
and there is disturbance.
yes I am muted.
मेरी बात सुन.
So next one
मैदा ना खानी पे इधर देख मेरी बात सुन. बहुत कम आलू डालूंगी कि जैसे तू आलू वाली सब्जी खाती है ना फुल्के के साथ, वैसा